Subscribe to Factly now so you don't miss out on important fact checks like this one.
A video of women dancing around a bonfire and burning scarves as the crowd applauds is being shared on social media platforms with the claim that it shows a scene from Iran after the country supposedly lifted the legal obligation to wear the hijab, making it a matter of personal choice. Reverse image search of keyframes from the video led to a news report with the same visuals shared on an American YouTube channel on 22nd September 2022. According to the report, the clip was shot in Sari in Iran during protests that erupted following the death of 22-year-old Mahsa Amini, who was detained by the morality police for allegedly wearing unsuitable attire. The demonstrations soon escalated, with reports of police stations and vehicles being torched. In response, Iran's Revolutionary Guards urged the judiciary to act against those spreading false news and rumors on social media, stating that such activity could threaten the psychological security of society. We found several other news reports from 2022 related to the unrest, which quickly spread across Iranian cities. Women publicly removed and burned hijabs in defiance of the mandatory dress code, while demonstrators chanted slogans against state authorities. The protests soon evolved into a wider movement challenging government policies, prompting a large-scale security crackdown. International organizations and rights groups later accused Iranian forces of using excessive force against protesters. We did not find credible reports or official information indicating that, as of October 2025, Iran has lifted the legal obligation to wear the hijab or made it a matter of personal choice. AFP reported that the director of advocacy at the Center for Human Rights in Iran confirmed that the Iranian penal code still requires women to observe the hijab as of October 2025. According to reports from May 2025, some women in Iran have been appearing in public without the hijab, although crackdowns could resume. Other reports noted that authorities are increasingly relying on surveillance, fines, and the closure of businesses that serve unveiled women rather than engaging in confrontations on the streets. The current rumor appears to have stemmed from an October 2025 report quoting a member of the Expediency Discernment Council, an advisory body to Iran's leader that also resolves legislative disputes, stating that there is currently no mandatory law regarding the hijab. However, he later retracted the remark in an interview, clarifying that wearing the hijab is still compulsory. To sum up, while the video does show women burning headscarves in Iran, as it is related to the protests that followed Mahsa Amini's death in 2022, and as there is no record of Iran having done away with the legal obligation to wear the hijab, this post is misleading.
Join our YouTube membership program and be a part of the journey of making public data meaningful. And remember, before you hit that forward button, pause.